You know when you just can't win? So I'm using my phone and you might be hearing an echo, but I don't want to use my mic because it's gonna sound funny. So yeah, we gonna have an echo today. Thank you, my room. Shout out to my room. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And today's gonna be a really short video. I'm working on my intros so they're not longer than a minute. I'm sorry. Today we have an unboxing video. And what are we unboxing? You're being nosy, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. But first, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, welcome to my island where we're all just trying to figure out where we're supposed to be, what we're supposed to do, and we're gonna do it together. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's hop right into it. You see my face? I just want you to pay attention to, like, do you see how bald it is? Like, my face has been like this ever since I started puberty, okay? Long story short, I cannot grow facial hair. And I've tried taking different things, but nothing works. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just gave up and it's just like, oh, if it's gonna grow, it's gonna grow. But today is December 1st, and No Shave November just ended, apparently. But as you can see, I have no facial hair, and a razor has not touched my face. My face just stays like this. Like, I have a few strands here, a few strands here. I have a little bit, maybe a couple whiskers, but for especially all of this year, I made no progress. So, what I did was nothing. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't do anything. But a new business happened to open up, and I'm gonna need you to check them out. Link will be in the description. The company is called Herbz And Tingz. The gist of it is all natural oils. This is not a sponsored video, let me say that. The company is essentially a hair and skincare company, okay? They sell oils for hair care and skincare, and that's all it really is. And I'm not gonna lie, everything that they have is natural, and that kind of appealed to me. So what I did was I ordered some beard oil, and it's been here, but I specifically wanted to wait until today to do this video. So without further ado, I'm sorry for all my talking, we're gonna hop right into this unboxing. So this is the packaging. Boom. And as you can tell, you get an island vibe from it. So right off the rip, it's kind of like, oh, okay, the islands, all natural, etc., etc. And from now on, whenever I'm doing an unboxing on my channel, I got my box cutter right here, because we're not struggling. All right, I already done struggled enough in life. I guess my struggle's not done yet. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this is a nice little box. So, as you can tell, I haven't opened it yet, obviously. It's pretty straightforward. Herbz And Tingz Essential Beard Oil. And if you would like to order your own, like I said before, the link will be in the description. www.herbzandtingz.com, okay? And I think this is pretty cool. And it's pretty straightforward. Instructions: apply 4 drops to hand and massage into beard from root to tip. I don't even have a beard, so basically this is what I'm assuming. I'm gonna put 4 drops in my hand and just pat it where I want my hair to grow, okay? And the ingredients, keep in mind, this is supposed to be all natural. The ingredients include, I can't see, hold on, it's a little small. If you wear glasses, you know my struggle. Like the words are moving or the words kind of, don't. I forgot these were broken. Okay, so the ingredients are hemp seed oil, black castor oil, coconut oil, and pure essential oils. Yikes. Okay, so as I just read out the ingredients, nothing extra, straightforward, all natural oils. And what I'm planning to do is every day throughout December, I'm going to upload my daily progress on using this product. So this is the unboxing. My next video update on this will be my first week. So there's about 4 weeks in December. Well, 4 weeks in every month. There's about 4 weeks. So every week there's gonna be at least 3 to 4 videos on my progress in December alone. So if this product really works, y'all will see it on my channel. If it doesn't work, you still will see it on my channel because I'm gonna be posting my progress. And I'm excited, a little nervous because this is my face, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about having like a full beard. You know what I'm saying? But you won't know until you try, because maybe I'll look good with a beard. If I won't, there's no risk. This is all natural. And if I don't like my beard, I can just shave it off, okay? So, risk-free, inexpensive, all-natural remedy for skincare, hair care. So check out Herbz And Tingz. Once again, this is not a sponsored video. I am just trying to support fellow upcoming business people. Next video of this you will see will be next Sunday. I will be doing like a little clip of me every day putting it on at the beginning of the day, and then at the end of the day my progress, or just a short video at the beginning of the day, short video at the end of the day, and a picture. And I'll do that for the week. So I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. It's pretty straightforward, pretty short. The liquid inside is clear. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited to actually try this out. I hope it works. Maybe I'll stop being called babyface. Maybe people actually think I'm 20 years old. Comment down below how old I look, okay? I really want to know what you guys think about how old I look. So, that's it for the video. I'm loving them. See you in the next one. Thank you so much to Herbz And Tingz for sending me this, even though I paid for it. I can't wait to try it out. I'm expecting great things because I heard great things. The link to the website will be in the description, and the link to their social media, to their Instagram. The link to their website will be in the description below, as well as their social media will be somewhere here on the screen. I'm loving them. See you in the next one. Peace. Oh, I can't wait to use it.